Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to export high quality videos in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to be guiding you through my preset and show you exactly what I use to get perfect 1080p quality videos. When I first started exporting, I copied another video on how to get high quality export settings. However, the bitrate was all messed up. My file sizes ended up being about 10 times bigger than they needed to be. So I was playing around with a few things and this is what I've got to get perfect 1080p quality on YouTube. So to start with, you just want to drop down the video tab and make sure it's on full HD 1920 by 1080. You want to make sure render at maximum depth is enabled and also use maximum render quality. Now down to the encoding settings, I use hardware encoding on a high profile level 5. And for my bitrate, I use VBR 1 pass with a 20 target bitrate. Next up is audio. I use AAC with 48,000 Hz and 512 bitrate for this one. Next up on multiplexer, I'll just keep it on MP4 and I keep this on standard. Now next up, I have captions enabled as I don't really use them anymore, but if you do use captions and subtitles often in your video, make sure this is enabled or they will not be saved to your video. Next up on effects, the only one I use is loudness normalization, and the reason I do this is for YouTube. A lot of people's audio is actually wrong when they upload it to YouTube, and the loudness can be completely wrong. And what this loudness normalization does is it basically matches it to how YouTube works. So just copy these settings here and you will have perfect audio on YouTube every time. And metadata, I just keep how it is normal, and same with general, I don't use any of these. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you've now got perfect high quality videos exported from Premiere Pro. If this video helped you, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.